Hey everyone, today we're diving into real ways people are using AI in 2025 to earn online. No hype, no fake promises. I'll show you what's working, what takes effort, and what's just noise. Let's go. 1. AI content creation. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway can help you create scripts, blog posts, and video content faster. Important note, these tools don't magically make money. What matters is your creativity, niche choice, and consistency. Brands and creators pay for quality and speed, and AI helps you deliver both. 2. Freelance services. You can offer AI-assisted services on Fiverr or Upwork, things like ad copy, chatbot prompts, or image generation. You don't need to code, you just need to learn how to prompt effectively. Reality check competition is high, and results depend on skill, effort, and market demand. 3. Create digital products. AI can help you design templates, guides, or ebooks faster, but success still takes marketing and audience building. You can sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Make sure everything you sell is original, useful, and doesn't infringe on anyone's copyright. 4. Build a personal brand. Teaching AI skills, reviewing tools, or sharing tutorials is a legit way to grow an audience. If you ever promote a tool and receive compensation or affiliate income, always disclose it clearly. Transparency builds trust, and it's required by the FTC. The truth about AI income. AI is powerful, but it doesn't replace hard work. You'll need time, persistence, and real strategy to make it pay off. If someone promises easy passive income, be skeptical. Real success takes consistency. If you're ready to learn real, ethical ways to build with AI, hit subscribe. I post 2 weekly breakdowns on what's actually working. Disclaimer: the income examples discussed are not typical. Any earnings depend on individual effort, skills, market conditions, and consistency. There are no guarantees of results.